Now we need to find a place to park. Give me an empty spot, dude. Oh yeah, what a luck.
There's parking spaces over there too.
Wow.
Yeah. What a coincidence. Alright, let's see how long we have to wait for that though.
Last time we had to wait like 30 minutes.
We didn't even wait. We haul ass.
Ash.
Oh, thanks.
This is the place I'm talking about. Barbecue place. Hey Jazz, say cheese. This is Jazz, Jessica, and Ashley, and this is me. Hey fellas, hey people.
And our videotape great.
Yeah, it's gonna be on Facebook.
Oh, it's cold out here.
No, not really that bad.
Hey, be like you got a jacket on, Jess. Point. Look at me. Don't say a word.
Look at people wait outside until they fall. It's crazy.